to the thing. Richard walks through it. Richard and James has diabetes. There we go. Reliant Robin. No, Reliant Robin. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. One more. I've crashed it. I've crashed it. I've crashed it. Almost immediately. I mean, I've crashed it. Literally 20 miles. A drum kit.
Well, that's what it looks like my piano.
But it can't be.
Will accelerate from 0 to 6 miles an hour and then brake, all within 2 meters.
I know what they're there for.
Yes.
If you fail to pull up, you will not only lose points, but also lose points. Crash into a piano in about
56 miles
a
an hour.
minute.
This is a stupid idea.
Airbag, airbag, airbag. No.
Oh god, I'm wearing a crash helmet. Screen of the car.
Traction control. No.
Right, I've really got to get on the brakes with this.
Anti-lock brakes. Airbags. Don't know.
Remember to brake at 60. Remember to brake at 60, you stupid boy. Yes, it's a good start.
Come on.
Oh, it's look at this end.
On for 3.
Can change you to
40. No.
Come on, car.
60.
60 now.
60.
Well, I can't get out, obviously. I'm completely stuck. What are those things? Things.
Well, I'll tell you one. The middle one is exactly the same colour as mine.
Cheese.